How long does it take to cook frozen lamb burgers? Well, I've set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and I've actually reduced the time to 20 minutes instead of 25. It's good to have a window on your air fryer to keep an eye on your food. The air fryer was already preheated, so that option I've kept it off. So we'll cook at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Make sure to turn them over halfway through. You can brush on oil on the burgers and on the base, but this time I've decided not to. Halfway through and they're looking good so far. Now this 1700 watt air fryer we ran for 20 minutes, and let's do the calculations. Let's say it cost just over 14 pence. Since the 1st of October the energy price cap has gone up. The lamb burgers are all nicely cooked in 20 minutes. Eat well, peace.